Check out this big hole and somebody tell me what this is. Yesterday, me and Scarlett were out here doing some stuff, and then we was getting ready to go back to the house, and she fell. And I thought, what in the world's the matter with her? And then I finally realized there's a hole right there that she stepped in. I'll tell you what, I thought she was going to break her leg. Scared me to death. Anyway, I pulled this thing out so my husband can see exactly where it's at so we can deal with it. But I don't have a clue what this thing is. But anyway, I don't want Scarlett stepping back in it. That wouldn't be cool.